Hello everyone, I am Chaitanya, currently studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering from Department Information Science and Engineering, Semester 3rd, Subject Data Structure and Applications, Subcode BCS 304. My topic is Introduction to Static Hashing. Introduction to Static Hashing. Title slides. Introduction to Static Hashing. This presentation covers the fundamental concept of static hashing. What is hashing? Hashing is a technique used to map data of arbitrary size to fixed size values. It utilizes a hash function to convert input data into a hash code. Definition of static hashing. Static hashing refers to a hashing method where the size of the hash table is fixed. Use Once the hash table is created, it cannot be resized dynamically. Key characteristics. Static hashing provides a predictable performance for the data retrieval operations. It requires a well defined hash function to minimize collision. Uses of static hashing. Hash function A hash function is used to transfer key into a unique hash values. These values are then used as index within a hash table. Hash table is a data structure where keys and their corresponding values are stored. The size of the table is fixed and determine the maximum number of element in it can hold. Collision handling. Collision occurs when two different keys generate the same hash values. Handling collision effectively is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of static hashing. Principle of static hashing. Hash function. A hash function is used to transfer a key into unique hash values. These values are then used to as index within a hash table. Hash table. The hash table is data structure where key and their corresponding values are stored. The size of the table is fixed and determines the maximum number of elements it can hold. Hash function. The effectiveness of static hashing highly depends on quantity of hash functions. A good hash function distribute data uniformly across the hash table. Handling collision. Collision occurs when multiple keys map to use same index in a hash table. Static hashing typically use techniques like chaining or open addressing to resolve collision. Advantages of static hashing. Static hashing offers fast data retrieval times due to direct index access. It is a memory efficient when the load factor is managed appropriately. Disadvantages of static hashing. Static hashing can lead to waste space if the hash table is overprovised. It lacks flexibility as resizing is not possible once established. Applications of hashing. Static hashing is commonly used in database for indexing records. It is also utilized in caching mechanisms to store frequently accessed data. Hash function design. A well designed hash function should minimize collision for better performance. It should also distribute keys uniformly across the table to avoid cleansing. Common hash function includes modulus operation and multiplication methods. Collision resolution techniques. Collision occurs when multiple keys hash to the same index. Common techniques for resolving collision in static hashing includes chaining and open address. Each technique has its own strength and weakness depending on the dataset and access partners. Compression with dynamic hashing. Unlike static hashing, dynamic hashing allows the size of hash table to grow as needed. This flexibility helps to mitigate the issue of collision and waste space. However, dynamic hashing can introduce additional complexity in inclusion. Static hashing is a fundamental technique for efficient data storage and retrieval. Understanding its properties, advantages, and limitations is essential for executive use. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.